popping, guys? So we are hanging out with the queen herself, Queen Ifrica. Walk on, queen, you're good?
Always a pleasure, yeah man, it's good.
I know that these times are a little bit challenging for some.
All of us.
Yeah, a lot of persons. How has everything been for you?
I mean, as like for my health and, you know, my family, we've been good, but like in general, just being a patriotic Jamaican, my heart is really broken in terms of the state of our nation, you know? But
okay.
We're about solutions, so that's where we're heading right now, you know, how can we fix things?
Okay, definitely. But I know that for a lot of persons, because you're not traveling or performing as much anymore.
Bro God,
you really. All right, so Queen, I know that a lot of persons, they've been doing a lot of things differently now, especially during this time, you know. Either they've found a new talent, a new skill, they've been finding a new way to survive because, you know, you're not performing as much anymore. So what have you found, Queen? Talk to me about that.
I am one of those persons who have been working on myself for a very long time, and I'm at a stage now where I can say, I can show you one or two things, you know, as to how we cope through troubled times and still have ourselves at the end of the day.
Definitely. If you could use 3 words to describe the Queen Ifrica today, you know, which 3 words would you use?
In the now.
In the now. Hold on. You should just like drop it for me. In the now and here and present, yes.
Yeah, you know, that's the 3 I could find right now.
In the now.
Yeah, man.
That would imply that you are present.
We are present.
You are aware of being present and you accept it as well.
I am.
What are you currently pushing out right now?
So, you know, I would love to be doing a sunshine through the clouds kind of song right now, but Jamaica is at a state where our children are being attacked in so many gruesome and deadly and dirty ways, our nation in general. So Predator's Paradise came out of all of that, you know, and it's just my contribution to telling the predators in our country just to ease up a bit. I mean, you guys have been having so much fun for so long, you know. We see the seeds that you have sown all over the place. We're seeing the results. Can you just give us a break now to heal as a people?
Just hearing the title here, I'm thinking to myself, well, the predators are having fun. They're enjoying themselves.
They're on a roll. Yeah. Everything is okay. It doesn't matter what you see on news tonight.
Yeah.
Life goes on for these people tomorrow. They're living full lives, complete lives, and we see the overspill in the streets of our youths. Who a lot of them, if you should stop them and ask what's happening on a personal, you'd break down in such a quick moment, you know. So I think for the joyful place where we is as Jamaica, we not deserve this as a people, and that's my campaign moving forward, for us to know, say, Jamaica people really tired.
This track is just to bring some awareness.
Solidarity.
Of course, use your platform to as some persons would say, kind of just, you know, bash it up, put it out, and just make them know.
Call it what it is.
Yeah, call it what it is and make persons aware of it.
Yeah.
A lot of persons, they're probably in the studio now because you're not performing as much, you're not in the, I mean, you're not on stage, you're not traveling as much anymore. What has been going on with you as it relates to that?
I've done a few songs like this one, Predator's Paradise. And next one, my name Bleed Out, then kind of take time I go around bleed, but I know why still.
Okay.
But you know, I want to be even more purposeful when I'm writing now.
Okay.
We write a lot about the deluge and the problem and everybody dying and the stress. So we're wanting to shine light through music now. So yes, I couldn't. If I was to do music during this pandemic, I would have the saddest songs you could ever have, because I really do see what people go through, you know, and I actually feel it too, you know. So I don't separate myself from the people I come up from.
Yeah.
So I know what it means to want something and not have it, so I can exploit that by writing a song, say, why to them I want something and we not have it, you know what I mean? We want to shed a different light now to say, all right, it is what it is. How are we going to now live through this.
Find the light at the end of the
Find
tunnel.
the light for ourselves, for our families, for our communities. Stop looking for external forces to bring this along, but start digging inside us.
Yeah.
For you know, to begin that change that we really want, which begins with us.
Okay, all right. So that's why you kind of say, you're more specific about what you write, what you put out, especially during this time.
During this time, I don't want to be just making money off what's happening.
Okay, well, Ifrica, I have to ask, are you going to have any more songs for the ladies? Are you going to have any more nice songs? You know, I'm just saying, I have to ask, like, you know, when you mention feel-good songs.
Let me talk to you now.
Yes.
I'm working on the alter ego.
Okay.
In Ifrica.
Okay. So, did you pronounce your name different a while ago?
No,
she said, hold on, she said, I'm working on the alter ego for Queen Ifrica. So we should move from Ifrica to Queen Africa, okay?
So what's happening is, I'm a very fun person for real. Like, you know, people love to talk about them, a fun person.
You're very witty, especially when it comes to your lyrics and us ladies and the men.
Exactly.
So I have to ask you.
So, you know, we need a little of that something.
Yeah, we need some niceness.
That's weird. That's what's up, you know? I want to be doing that kind, looking at what's happening, especially with violence in our relationships in Jamaica too, and just put back the fun there in it, you know, because there's not going to be a perfect relationship for any of us. But there are moments that we cherish, you know, and we want to stick to those moments. So there's some kind of head for you.
Okay, so we might can see or hear something soon.
2022, we're not suffering in a broker. There, hear me now, brother. Hear me now.
Just a public service announcement.
Public service announcement.
I'll give her a moment.
Broker. 2022, put a little good news in the announcement there. All right? No matter what you're going to tell us in the announcement, make little laugh in there, sir, please. We're tired of that.
Queen, big up yourself. I'm looking forward to seeing and hearing more of you. And of course, the Queen Ifrica and the alter ego, Queen Africa. Big up, mama.
Yeah, man.